Chapter: The Coastal Plains and Islands. Life in the coastal plains. Both the eastern and western coastal plains cover some parts of the eastern states like Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu, and the western states like Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Life in the eastern coastal plains. Karnataka. The major coastal areas in Karnataka are mostly covered by thick teak forests. Coconuts and a variety of spices are grown here. Mangalore, is an important seaport along the coast. West Bengal is situated in the eastern coastal plains. The soil of the region is very fertile. The main crops grown here are rice and jute. Kolkata is the capital city. There are many jute and textile mills here. Odisha is situated at the eastern coast. Puri and Bhubaneswar are the temple towns. Odisha is also famous for its handicraft items. Chilka Lake, with its bird sanctuary, is a famous tourist destination. Andhra Pradesh. Rivers Godavari and Krishna form deltas in the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh. Farming is the main occupation. Rice is the main crop grown here. Visakhapatnam is an important seaport. It has a shipbuilding yard, an iron and steel plant and an oil refinery. Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The Kaveri River forms delta along the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. Rice is the main crop grown here. Chennai is famous for cotton and silk saris. The silk saris from Kanchipuram, a city near Chennai, are very famous. The Marina Beach at Chennai is the longest beach in India. Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. Oceans like the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean meet here. Vivekananda Memorial is also situated here. Puducherry, a union territory, lies towards the south to Chennai. It was earlier under French rule. It is famous for Arvind Ashram and Matri Mandir. Life in the western coastal plains. Gujarat lies in the northwest of India. The people of Gujarat are mostly traders and farmers. The main crops are cotton, jowar, bajra, wheat and sugarcane. Dairy farming is popular in and around Anand. Amul, famous for dairy products, is situated here. Petroleum and natural gas have been found in Ankaleshwar. The port of Kandala is used to export and import goods. Salt is made in the coastal areas by drying sea water. Ahmedabad is the largest city and has many textile mills. Sabarmati Ashram, the home for Gandhiji for many years, is situated here. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. The Gir National Park is home to the Asiatic lion. Gujarati is spoken by most of the people. Men wear chudidar pajama and kurta. Women wear sari or lehanga. Ras Garba is a popular folk dance. Maharashtra is situated on the Konkan coast. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is the largest seaport of India and an important center for business and industry. Major food grains and fruits are grown in Maharashtra. The large deposits of petroleum have been found at the seabed near Mumbai. This region is called Bombay High. Goa lies towards the south of the state of Maharashtra. It has many beautiful beaches. Panaji is the capital of Goa. Majority of the people are farmers and fishermen. The main crops grown here are rice, coconut, cashew nut and mangoes. Goa is rich in iron ore deposits. St. Xavier's Church, Mahalakshmi Temple and Fort Aguada are famous tourist places. Kerala is in the extreme south of the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. The major crops grown here are rice, coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee and spices. Kerala is the most literate state of India. Malayalam and English are the main languages. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dance forms. Onam is a popular harvest festival. Snake boat races are held during Onam.